Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to start your first Squarespace website. So first of all, I will need you guys to go ahead and open Squarespace website. So we go to Squarespace and here I will go to this one and I will click on it. Let me just change the language real quick. Okay, it is on English. So let me just translate it to French and then make it in English again. Let me just go all the way down and make it in English. So now it is working good for me. So now basically what I'm going to do is get started. Click on it and what your site's about, jewelry, education, etc. etc. So I'm going to go for example gaming and I click on next. What are your top goals? Showcase like that, sell product and sell and build community. So collecting experience. Where are you in the process? Collecting, growing an existing business. Replace my site within one. Turn a project hobby into a business, for example. So after that, I click on finish, and right after that, what you're gonna do is choose a starting point, which is a template. So let's say, for example, we're gonna choose something like this one or this one. So I'm going to go with this one. So let's choose this one. And now I will just have to continue with email. So I will sign in using my email, just like that. It is a really simple process, guys. So now it is setting things up. Now let's wait a little bit. I have received an email. So here we go. Now basically we should give a title. So make a tutorial, for example, continue, next, next, and then get started. Now, as you can see, this is the website. Here you can do whatever you'd like. So you can add a website logo. Here is the design, commerce, and etc. So include site logo. So for example, you can just go here to watch the intro video to watch this, to watch the like the tutorial about this website. You can go, for example, pro settings here. You can say check site availability, make it public if you want. So upgrade to publish. So if you want to publish it, in order to publish it, you will need to upgrade it. So in order to upgrade it, you'll have to pay one of these prices. So we have to pay personal or business basic or advanced. So you have to check whatever features you want for your website and then you have to check these ones. Else, if you want to keep it private, you can just keep it like that, private, and start editing it from here, extensions, permissions, domain, etc. and so go on. So yeah guys, that's how you can create your first Squarespace website. Thanks a lot for watching and see ya in the next tutorial.